Hello everyone. So in this video we will look at CSS styling in React.js. So let's start. So in this video we will cover these three kind of style sheet techniques. So first one is inline styling, second one is CSS styling, and third one is CSS modules. So let's suppose I have h1 and I have to give inline styling. So what I do is um, style, just write style and double curly bracket. Now let's suppose I have to key underline. So text decoration, gem, underline, save, see. You can see our output. Underline is applied. Also we can provide background also. So let's provide background. Let's suppose red. Oh, just yes. So you can see this is how we can apply inline styling. Also we have another technique, like let's suppose let's make an object. So h1 styling is our object name. Now let's write this two things, these lines. So text decoration is underline, the second one is background. Let's make it yellow. Save it. Now just get rid of it and just come here and type style is equals to h1 styling object. Save. See, you can see here output. Let's change this red. This is how you can apply inline styling or with use of making object styling. Now let's see the third way. So you can make your own style sheet also. Like we used to make that kind of style sheet in HTML CSS. So let's make style sheet. Let's new file. Let's write style.css, CSS, and let's rewrite that three things. So h1, sorry, two things. h1 text decoration, underline, background, red, save, and just remove this. Also comment this. So now you can see there is no styling. We have made style sheet, but how can we call it here? So we just have to import it here. So just type here import dot slash app. No, our style sheet name is style dot css. Save. See, you can see here output is here. So third way is a CSS module. So without wasting time on this documentation, let's look at it practically. So in my VS Code, now let's make two components. So let's make folder components. Let's make header.js. Let's make another component. Let's say main.js. Now let's make functional component. Now let's make it h1 and just type here title of component main and provide a button. Also let's make same for header. So let's just copy paste main header. Now let's just import those two components in app.js. So first one is header and second one is main. Now let's run this. So cd to app npm start. It's loading. You can see here there is two components. First one is header, second one is main, and there are two buttons. So let's suppose let's give it a name, class name of header button. So what we used to do is we make two CSS. So first one is header.css and second one is main.css, and our button name is, let's suppose class name is button, and let's make the same button in main.js. So just copy pasting, and now I am going to style a button. So let me just get rid of it and type button. Let's suppose I need padding of 10 pixels, background red, text decoration none, and just that's it, and import it in header. So import dot slash header dot css. You can see both components button is red. So let's try it with another main.css. So in main.css, let's suppose I need yellow button. So background color is yellow, padding 10 pixel, that's it. And now let's import it in main.js. So import dot slash main.css. You can see both components button is yellow. So what happening is CSS is conflicting between these two components same class. So resolving this problem, there is easy way, which is CSS modules. So what we'll do is, let me just rename this header.css. No, not deleting, just rename header.module.css. Also let's make it same main.module.css. Now let's import header.css. So just remove this line and import it as a object. So import header css from dot slash header.module.css, and let's name it same for main.css. So just import main css from dot slash main.css. Now let's check output. Nothing is here. Now what we have to do is we just have to call the class. So remove this btn and curly bracket, just type main.css.button class. Same for header.js. So just remove this class name btn and let's call header.css.button. Save and let's check output. See, so it will not conflict the class name between two or more components. Now I just wanted to show you. Inspect it and click on button. You can see your class name header button y9iht. What is this? Now let's just check out second button name, class name. See, so module.css will make it our class name unique. So for every component it will make a class name uniquely, so class name will not conflict between two or more components. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.